All of us want to ensure that our loved ones are safe from the threat of danger and that our property remains ours. Well, in a connected world, it's getting easier to ensure the safety of our households with thanks to some incredible technology like Swann's new range of 4K Ultra HD security systems. We've all heard of 4K Ultra HD, but what does it mean when it comes up against 1080p Full HD footage, and what is the real difference? A 1080p Full HD image has 2 megapixels made up of about 2 million pixels. The difference is that 4K footage has over 8 million pixels, meaning that it's made up of an 8 megapixel image, which is 4 times better than the average Full HD footage. With 4K footage, you can zoom into an image and see all the details which would have been lost on a Full HD camera. It could mean all the difference between identifying a license plate or someone's face. There is the option of 8 or 16 channel monitoring, meaning you can connect to 8 or 16 weatherproof cameras, each with true detect heat sensing capabilities. The DVRs come with a 2 terabyte pre-installed hard drive, as well as push notifications. Anyone looking for home security, it's off to a great start with Swann's 4K Ultra HD DVR 5580. The 4K DVR system is backwards compatible with lower resolution cameras, so you can mix and match different resolution cameras, and you don't have to worry about buying a 4K camera to cover an area that doesn't need that sort of quality. If you want to stay incognito with your home security system, you have a choice between a 4K Bullitt Cam and a 4K Dome Cam. Both have the same specs, but the Bullitt Cam acts as a deterrent itself, while the Dome Cam blends into its surroundings and is harder to tamper with. Rest easy knowing your property has round-the-clock protection. The one-off investment will bring you the benefit of deterring any unwanted attention with no ongoing fees.